Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use drawing tool on Instagram story. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do if we want to use the drawing tool is we have to create the story first. So I'm just going to click on your story right here to create a story, and we can select the photo that or the video that we want to upload in our story, and you can also take a picture or video by clicking on this camera, but I'm just going to select a photo from my gallery. So wait guys. Okay, and this is the photo that I want to upload as a story, so just tap on it, and after that we can click on this three dots button if we want to use the drawing tool. So this is the drawing tool in Instagram story, so just tap on it. And before we draw on Instagram story, we have to select the pencil first. So you just need to click on this option. For example, I'm going to select this one, and after that we can select the color. You can slide your screen like this to find the color that you like, and I'm just going to select this one, and after that we can start drawing like this. Okay, and if you make a mistake, you just need to click on this undo button. Then after you're done, you can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can use drawing tool on Instagram story. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.